Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm at the river today, and the first thing I'm gonna do is try some topwater lures. I've seen some small duck swimming near the trees in there in the shadows, so I'm gonna try this this floating duck first. See if we get lucky on the top water, and if we don't see anything, we move on to different lures. See how it goes. First cast. There's some great action. That looks like he has two propellers on the back. Yeah, there's more small ducks in there. Look, they're babies, same size as my lure over there. Just going past, just behind my lure. Yeah, the same size as that. Anything on the top rod? Another lure. Grab a fish up. Yep, fish on. Nice. I've been resting for a few minutes, and then it's funny because it's a small pike, as you notice. But I thought I was snagged at first when he went for the lure. It's a small fish, obviously there's not much. I don't have a strong bite. so I didn't even have like a proper thump on the line. But I'm happy. I told you guys in a couple of videos before that lure was too good not catch a pike when we come to the river, and he did it. Just goes so well in the water. Take a quick look at this guy. I don't want to waste too much time. I just check for rigs. It's clean. There you go, guys. Just a small one, but it's the first one of the river season, so I'm really happy. So let's get it back. There he goes. Thanks for biting, little guy. And that's it, guys. A 4 or 5 pound lure has an amazing action, and I knew this was going to catch a fish on the river. Easy. Just gonna leave the net ready. It's a good tip, guys. I can't imagine how many fish I've lost in the past because I was fiddling with the net. So if you know we're gonna be fishing in the same place for, like, you know, 15 minutes or 20 minutes or whatever, just get the net ready. You never know. Save you the trouble later. Right, I'm gonna cast the western swim, suspending. Hopefully not into the tree. Be careful because this lure it will cast for miles. Fish on. Ah, came off. Then that was damn. Couldn't take my time because these guys were coming. I had to try to rush because they were coming. They're gonna cut my line. I lost a fish. Oh man. Killing me now. Cock blocker here. It seemed like a nice fish too. must be joking, man. So many times to come rowing, and they had to turn up exactly when I hooked that fish. Talk about luck, man. I've been here, what, 15-20 minutes? Before that, not a single sight of anyone, just me. I hook onto a fish, boom, that's it. Yeah guys, as you could tell by all my ranting before, I I was fuming, and I decided to just let it go, pack my stuff, and start heading back, because I wasn't in the right spirit after that. Yeah, some days you just better let it go and try again next time. And yeah, I really appreciate everyone who's been watching the videos and leaving likes and leaving comments on the videos. I love interacting with you guys. But that's it for this one. So I'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye.